Namaskar. Internet has changed my life like anything. The word change is incapable to describe the whole thing, what has happened in my life. I have taken VRS from BSNL under VRS 2019 scheme. Afterwards, I have started terrace garden. I do not know about anything about terrace garden. I have taken help of videos uploaded in social media. With this, my passion has changed to occupation, which has given me organic fruits and vegetables. Some pictures of my plants and my in my garden are here. Are here. I also started. I also started contributing some literary works and started posting in social media. And I have gained so many. I have gained podcast. I have associated with so many friends and literary groups. Anybody can access advice help of so many experts in various things facing in day to day life. Without internet all the miracles would not have happened in my life. Thank you for internet. Jai Hind.